What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Another day? Yeah, another project over here at Auto Auction Rebuilds. So I won something yesterday, last minute, that I had bid on, and I didn't think I was going to get it, and I definitely didn't think I was going to get it for what I got it for. We got a new project, $900 before fees from an insurance company, but this video is not going to be the big reveal. This video is simply to build you up for the video coming out a little later today, because usually my videos come out around 10 a.m. That's not going to happen today because I have to go right now. It's 8. I got to go to the bank, get the money, go to Copart. So there's no way I'm going to have all that done, a video recorded and uploaded by 10 o'clock in the morning. So this video is simply to get you built up and excited, because I'm going to tell you this. This, in my opinion, and I think a lot of you will probably agree, this is by far my best buy at Copart ever. Yeah, ever. The vehicle that I won has minimal damage, run and drive, insurance company, and to make it even better, when I looked around my local market, that vehicle sells for around $7,000. And I got it for $900 before fees. After fees, $1,180, $1,185, something like that. So I'm excited, and this video is simply to hype you up. Get ready, because here in a little bit, we're going to be bringing it home, and I'm going to be showing it to you today. Now, my good buddy John is on his way over here, and I think you're gonna like what he came up with for the upcoming video. He is bringing the exact same vehicle that I won, that he also owns. His is a little bit more special than mine, though, but we're going to show you that later in the video too. I think the upcoming video is going to be absolutely amazing. It's going to be a lot of fun. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. Why am I sitting outside in the freezing cold? It's like 28 degrees out here. I really don't know. So what I'd like you to do is comment down below and tell me what you think I won at Copart. And I'm not going to give you any more hints, but it's something that I've really been wanting. It's something that I am absolutely thrilled to have, and you could guess the rest. We'll figure it out. Hey, I want to give you a quick update. The what was that? A 2000 Ford F-150, the beater truck, right? I actually sent that down to Weird Beard Auto Sales yesterday. And let me tell you something. I drove that truck 86 miles, most of it highway driving. That truck drove solid, cruise control set at 75, man. That truck made it all the way down to Weird Beard without an issue. Again, my good buddy John showed up yesterday, and he said, hey, man, I got some spare parts for that F-150. He brought me a headlight for it, OEM headlight. He brought me an OEM corner light. He installed them for me. Great guy. And finally, why did I not replace all the spark plugs and all the coils? Well, I'm going to be straight up honest with you guys on that one. That is a very cheap beater truck. We're not going to make a lot of money on it as it stands. So here's the deal. When you start, some of those coils, at least one of them I know, you have to pull the fuel rail out of the intake. All right, when you start getting into pulling the fuel rail, you start risking breaking hoses, breaking O-rings, hell, breaking a fuel injector, spark plug issues, or there's just a multitude of issues that can arise when you start digging into things. You know, my grandpa had a saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. All right, now normally, I would have done all the spark plugs, all of the coils, but on something that old, that high mileage, when things are that brittle, I had a heater hose on that truck. I didn't get it on camera, that goes to the heater core. Literally, I did nothing but take my hand and try to plug in the idle air control valve because it was just left unplugged. The heater hose snapped on me right at the heater core. All right, that is a perfect example of what I mean. You start screwing around, trying to replace a bunch of stuff, and you end up getting yourself into a world of trouble. I'm not trying to do that. It's a cheap flip car. The fact is, regardless whether it has 7 new plugs or 7 old plugs and 1 new plug and 1 new coil, it doesn't matter. It runs on all cylinders. It drives down the highway. It made it 86 miles. The thing is ready to sell. We put it up for $1,350, hoping to get $1,200 and walk away from it, because I think you guys are really going to like the project we're bringing home today. So with that, big shout out to John for giving me a hand yesterday and for helping out with this video today. You guys are going to like it. Stay tuned. Later today, we will have the big reveal for $900. I stole it. I stole it. Stay safe out there, everybody. I'll catch you very, very soon later on today with the reveal.